What if designing custom sounds and visuals was as easy as describing them? For example, let me show you what this scene looked like before Adobe Firefly's AI tools. And I've partnered with them to show you a brand new feature that just launched, Generate Sound Effects. You can type out what you want to hear or even give it a simple voice prompt, and Firefly generates custom sound effect options you can download and drop right into your project. Sound design can completely change how a video feels, but finding the right sound used to slow me down every time. This new Firefly feature changes that. Plus, Adobe Firefly is commercially safe, meaning you can use these sounds on any project without worrying about copyright. So if you're like me and spend forever looking for sounds, Firefly's Generate Sound Effects is a total game changer. Go try it out at firefly.adobe.com.